new storage options for Canada, new Azure backup options for everyone, easier database migrations for relational people, and much more, so stick around. Hi, I'm Matt Carolan, and welcome to Puck Online, where we aim to bring you the hot news topics for the last month in the public cloud space. Today I'm here on the waters of North Vancouver. Very rainy day. Hopefully it doesn't pick up anymore. If you didn't hear, tickets for the 2024 Cloud Summit went on sale this month with limited number of early bird tickets at 60% off the regular price. With that, we've got a lot to cover, so let's get into it. A few new announcements for Azure Backup, starting with Regional Disaster Recovery by Azure Backup for AKS. This is currently in public preview. With the feature, you can proactively prepare for and mitigate the impact of a regional disaster by recovering AKS clusters for backup stored in a secondary region, leveraging Azure paired regions, ensuring business continuity even in the face of regional disruptions, storing backup copies off-site, adhering to 3-2-1 backup strategy, and having the resilience to restore them in case of a tenant compromise, and retaining data for extended periods to meet compliance requirements in regulated industries, ensuring data integrity and security. As well, now generally available is support for Azure VMs using UltraDisk and Premium SSD version 2 for Azure Backup. Microsoft announced the general availability of standard network features. Edit. Network features for Azure NetApp files. Standard network features provide you with an enhanced virtual networking experience for a seamless and consistent experience, along with security posture for Azure NetApp files. You are now able to edit existing Azure NetApp file volumes and upgrade basic network features to standard network features. A long list of new features comes with this, including increased IP limits for the VNets and Azure NetApp file volumes, on par with VMs, to enable customers to provision volumes in their existing architectures. Enhanced networking security with support for network security groups. Enhanced network control with support for user-defined routes. Connectivity over active-active VPN gateway. ExpressRoute fast path connectivity, and more. Microsoft introduced the migration service in Azure Database for PostgreSQL, tailored to simplify moving your PostgreSQL workloads to the Azure. This service provides a seamless, fully managed migration experience, adept at handling both schema and data migrations with no size restrictions. Microsoft went GA with Azure Elastic SAN, the industry's first fully managed and cloud-native storage area network, offering the simplified deploying, scaling, managing, and configuring a SAN in the cloud. This enterprise-class offering stands out by adapting a SAN-like resource hierarchy, provisioning resources at the appliance level, and dramatically distributing these resources to meet the demands of diverse workloads across databases, virtual desktop infrastructure, and business applications. Zone Redundant Storage, ZRS, for Azure Disk Storage is now generally available on Azure Premium SSDs and standard SSDs in Canada's Central region. Disks with ZRS provide synchronous replication of data across 3 availability zones in a region, enabling disks to tolerate zonal failures without causing disruptions to your application. As well, Azure UltraDisk Storage is now available in Canada East. Azure UltraDisk Storage offers high throughput, high IOPS, and consistently low latency disk storage for Azure virtual machines. So in wrap up, make sure you check out publiccloud.ninja for links to all our podcasts, and online meetups and events. And click that like and subscribe button so that you get notified each month when we release a new episode. Our next episode will be in March. Till then, stay safe and keep challenging yourself.